Moving on, how we would onboard the admin or a user from the IT personnel from the college would be as follows. They would click on the get started panel. Then, then they would have to add their college name and the portal that their college uses to display the students all their data as attendance or marks. Now, after we enter the URL, you choose the integration method. Here, we're going to use browser automation. Since if the admin or the IT person has no experience with any of the API integration, they can easily map using the agent. So here we launch the secure browser where the admin has to just log into the portal so that we can access all the mapping as in all the tabs possible and all the elements of the HTML. So we log in right now. Now, after successfully logging in, you'll be able to check the homepage the AI has the access to all the elements possible. Then you follow through each of these tabs. Model so that later in the saving of your attendance, easy map it on the 10 second. So here you go to profile section, you go to seconds. Then after it goes, you go to the section. You go to info and such. You go to academics. Here you all the info, applications. If you want something, support requests, leasing assistance. After it goes, you go to the attendance section now. It should be easy to attendance from here. I can find it as such. All the days information by example support. And yes, we had extra key point. We use library network. So after the admin is done, right? So after the admin is done, right? You want to the student packet and the having students, so we continue to around the admin. After the admin, you support admin, users and same for the setup. Okay. Now you go to the dashboard. And in the admin dashboard, you can see all the students, faculty, subjects, all the documents. In the user registry, here you can see all the users of the app, student, faculty, admin. In the integrations, you can see all the integrations that we have made, sync data. You can also upload any attendance or monitor all the global lab requests given to all the teachers or students. Here in the AI workflow, this shows all the mappings that we have created. Here is the student dashboard, what the student gets after logging in. When the user logs in for the first time, it takes some 3 to 5 minutes as the data is being scraped and synced and updated in the backend. After he successfully logged in and synced up the data, he can ask general doubts regarding the data that, such as attendance, request, and lab log. He can also use it as a normal chatbot asking questions as such. You can go back and create a new chat. Also, we have another thing. We have a dashboard on the top right corner over here where we store all the data, such as his ongoing attendance or his CGPA, displays his email ID, and a summary of which classes is he lacking in attendance and which classes his attendance are actually sufficient. There also here is his schedule of the day and the upcoming exams. Here is the attendance displayed properly of all the subjects that of the current semester he has. Then here we have his marks and grades properly displayed in case he wants to see how much he has scored in the midterms, etc. He can check his grade of the previous times as such. Now this is the TeamSpot interface. We are running this currently locally as we're waiting for the TeamSpot to be accepted so that we can run it on the Teams app itself. Currently, any user who's inside the Teams app of the college itself can chat with the chatbot over here. They can simply send a message as hi, and it will respond back to the user in the chatbot itself, as shown. Then the user can ask any doubt regarding his attendance or his grades or any assignments, since all the data that has been saved from the portal is also stored. So the user does not have to access the website. He can simply just type the prompt inside this chatbot, just like, hey, can you display my attendance? So here the chatbot shows the attendance of the user by scraping it by getting it from the backend. So the user does not have to meticulously open the website again and again to check his data. He can itself just access it from inside the Teams app, making it easier for the user to access information. Moving on, now we go to the subjects and notes sections where all the subjects that the student is registered in by the admins and the teachers is displayed. The student can easily access any of the subjects and select the documents present in them. Here we're trying to showcase that these documents are, the user can then open inside on the online as well and check what is the contents of them. They can there ask questions regarding those documents. They can also insert their own documents to help them study better, since they can add maybe some of their own notes, which can help, which the AI can help them understand the concepts easier in their own language. They can easily select and deselect any of the PDFs. They can also generate flashcards, selecting any of the PDF. Here we're generating some flashcards. And the flashcard generated, the user can easily check the answers, scroll next. This is an easy way for the student to learn solving problems and remembering them. Next, we have a concept sandbox that displays problems in 3D and gives a proper explanation so the user can understand how it works. Here we have round robin as an example. The physics sandbox is being generated. After the sandbox is generated, the round robin CPU scheduling is shown properly, where the time graph and the process are clearly displayed. It shows how, with respect to the time moving, the processes are arranged, and how the quantum is also displayed. The users can play with the time quantum and the number of processes to change how it displays on the graph. There's also a proper explanation of how the round robin works, what are the details about it, and what is like the turnaround time, etc., etc. Moving on. Here are the teachers panel displaying all the basic data: students, average attendance, schedule, the quick AI actions, etc. Moving on, we have subjects that the admin has assigned the teachers to. The student, the teachers can click and upload any materials, upload the attendance manually, or later the background worker will automatically scrape it using the AI agent, so the teacher does not have to worry about hassling with the attendance manually updating them. The teacher can also see the material uploading, etc. They want to upload more materials, they can do as such. Moving on to the analytics, the teacher can see the average attendance of the students that has been assigned to them of the subject respectively. You can see the attendance of the students that are below 75%. This is the calendars of the student, the teacher. The lab requests given to the teacher in this chatbot, where the teacher can ask requests and questions to AI, such as what are the attendance report of the students below 75%, and the AI will scrape the backend and give the report to the teacher. Here it shows it displaying the backend shows the